Alrighty guys, so welcome back to another video, and so I just recently hit 100 subscribers, and I know it's not a lot, but it's a start. It's been probably a year since I started this channel, and yeah, so we hit 100 subscribers just recently. And to thank you guys for that, I would like to do a giveaway. I'm not giving away a bike, but I want to do a giveaway where you guys will comment on this video, and I will pick a winner. And what we'll be giving away is, I'm going to do it a little different than other people do it. Because CB Outdoors has evolved around fishing, biking, all sorts of stuff. I would like to do the giveaway, see who wins, and then when I contact them, see what their hobby is. One, I'm interested in knowing, and two, I want to send them something that they will use or enjoy, not something that they're not going to use and they're just going to put in a closet. So, that's all I had to say. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and here's a bit of a clip for you guys.